Highest common factor of algebraic expressions. If you don't remember how to find the highest common factor of numbers, you should watch this video before continuing. The parts of an algebraic expression separated by the plus and minus signs are called terms. Each of the terms in algebraic expressions is called a monomial. So the first expression has 4 monomials, and the second expression has 3 monomials. We can say that monomial is a simple algebraic expression that is the product of numbers and variables. A monomial can be the product of numbers and variables, but a monomial also can be a number or a variable. Examples. 1/2 x is a monomial. 2xy is a monomial. Minus x cubed y is a monomial. 7 is a monomial. The variables of a monomial cannot have a negative or fractional exponent. X to the power of minus 3 is not a monomial. X to the power of 1/2 is not a monomial. These two expressions are not monomials. Before we learn how to find highest common factor of monomials, let's remember how to find highest common factor from numbers. The highest common factor of two numbers is the largest number that will divide both numbers. Examples. Find the highest common factor of numbers. 12 and 18, 216 and 180. We express 12 and 18 as products of prime factors. We also express the 216 and 180 as products of prime factors. The highest common factor of two or more numbers will be the product of the least powers of common prime numbers. In the same way that whole numbers have factors, monomials are also made up of factors. Look at the examples. The process to find the highest common factor of monomials is similar to numbers. The highest common factor of two monomials will be the product of common prime numbers and the common variables raised to the least exponent. Let's see how it works. Find the highest common factor of 2x cubed and 56x. Write each term as a product of its factors. The highest common factor will be the product of common prime numbers and the common variables raised to the least exponent. Write each term as a product of its factor. In this example, we do not have a common variable, so the highest common factors is 3. Write each term as a product of its factors. The highest common factor will be the product of common prime numbers and common variables raised to the least exponent. Now it is your turn.